What's up guys, it's Timmy. I'm here in Las Vegas right now. This is the beginning of the road trip home to Alaska, and Nico is detailing the truck one last time before it gets in the cold, so pretty stoked on it.
Tire shine that I'm going to be using from like a local.
If you guys look back at my video from last year, about the same time a year, you'll see another detailing video. Nico cleaned the truck up really well. He's got a new truck himself this time, it's pretty sweet. There's his setup, crazy huge water tank, all kinds of probably pretty nasty chemicals to get the job done. Anyway, this thing's filthy, and once I get to Alaska, it's hard to clean up there because it's already freezing, so he's getting on it now.
Is this trash? No? This was in here.
I'd call that trash, yeah.
Oh, okay, I wasn't sure if it was
yeah, no, you're good.
water.
Oh yeah, what's your YouTube channel, man, while we're here?
It's Nico's Auto Detailing.
Nico's Auto Detailing.
I'll send you a link just to make sure it's the right one.
Nice, yeah, I'll put it in the description down there. So.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I forget sometimes if it's detail or detailing, but that's that little detail, yeah. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's an important detail, yeah. For sure. Oh, you get an Instagram thing too you're doing?
Yeah, yep, exactly. Same Nico's Auto Detail there.
There you go, yeah. So you guys capture that. We'll leave a little description down there. There's links to his stuff, so you guys check that out. That's something I can't do in Alaska. All that would just freeze solid. I was thinking if I tried to do this up north right now where it's like, you know, -20, all that would just freeze solid.
Oh yeah,
yeah.
Oh no.
It's like the time to do it down here.
To be honest, I'm a fan of summer out here, not so much winter. If it stays like this, cool. The wind makes cleaning hard. It cuts through your clothes, it freezes your hands. But on a scale 1 to 10, it's not that bad.
Yeah. That's the downside of that engine. Any kind of work you have to do is like, you have to climb up there for it.
I use this in a drill. I like to bounce back and forth.
Nice. Most of you guys know that I do not have a heated garage in Alaska, so I don't really have a great way to wash my truck, especially the interior up there, and it's really hard to wash vehicles in Alaska in general. It's kind of a nice truck, so I want to try to take care of it. Thought I would swing by and visit Nico here because he did an awesome job last year. Super stoked on it. Yeah, it's like supporting friends.
I'm using tire kicker. This is a chemical, guys. Their products are decent.
It smells like chemical.
Yeah, it does.
It's the cleanest they've looked since I bought them.
Right on.
Try not to instantly drive through a mud hole right when I leave here.
Oh, right.
Rad Nico's all finished up. It's looking way better than it was before. See how long I can keep it clean.
Oh, he sees me and he just dips out. Dude. I just try to lasso him like this.
I'm expecting some just rabies rabid dog back here.
Wait,
here, little buddy.
Because he can easily. Dude, where you at? Dude.
Suspense.
Hey, buddy. Come on.
All that barking you guys heard? Here's the culprit.
Let's go.
He's got to pull back.
Come on, buddy. I got the leash. You know it's me. Come on. Good boy. Good boy, dude. Come on. Yeah, you know. Come on. Come here, buddy. Alright, I'll actually just pick him up.
Feels safer.
You're gonna choke himself. Oh, look, you hurt yourself.
Well guys, that's a wrap. Nico got this thing looking awesome. So remember, if you're swinging through Las Vegas, check out Nico. He's the man, did an awesome job. I'll have a link to his Instagram and YouTube in my description of this video, so check that out. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. See you in the next one. And we're off to Alaska. Let's go.